buong section. Gusto ko makita kung gaano kaseryoso yung sa role nila. Kasi hindi naman bang nasutukan talaga. Kasi makikita mo na kung mag-aaway-aaway talaga, gano'n. And also, of course, the remarkable na, I miss you. Hinihintay ko rin yun. And gusto ko rin makita yung emotions lang. So, payak si Ashley. Yun po.
Thank you. And then, next one is, of course, I want to congratulate everyone for a very blessed 2025. Sobrang laki ng blessings mo. Like, Ashley currently filming MMFF, Andres Sinpagues, Rajel just finished shooting for A Werewolf Boy. I just want to ask, with this very tight schedule, how do you manage your work-life balance or ano yung ginagawa niyo during your free days?
During our free days, siguro kung na-memorize na namin lahat ng scripts or lahat ng dapat namin i-memorize, matutulog talaga para the next day, pag may workday na, makakapag-function kami ng maayos at may mabibigay kaming energy at mabibigay namin yung 100% namin.
Ako naman talagang, I believe na rest comes in different ways, you know. Some of us like to sleep, a lot of us like to also work out. I believe it's about finding yung outlet mo, finding those windows kapag may free time ka, you'd like to do something that makes you feel fulfilled. And kapag, when you're fulfilled and you come to set, mas nagiging inspired ka to do well because you're recharged. Sorry.
Ako din po, I'd like to rest lang when I have free time. And I take the time to really pray to God and spend more time with my family po.
Ako naman po paano ko nababalance? Parang buhay ko na rin kasi yung trabaho, ganun ko siya tratuhin. Parang feeling ko pag hindi ako nagtatrabaho, parang mas nalulungkot pa ako pag di ako nagtatrabaho. So buhay ko talaga siya. Yun. So balance talaga siya.
Okay, and then for my last question, we've seen the trailer naman, and then you have already shoot naman a few scenes. Is there a specific scene for the main cast na nakita nyo yung co-actor or co-actress nyo na napasabi kayo na grabe ang galing niya ng umarte?
Andres po. Ang galing nila talaga. Kagabi may sinod po kaming, di ba? May sinod po kaming heavy scene. Grabe, ang galing ni Andres.
Wow. Nakakatuwa naman. Tinatapos yun. Kung may scene na, alam mo, sa tingin ko talaga, I think, I have to commend everyone in this cast really. Everyone really stepped it up this season and I really believe that. I think it's because the idea then that we all came from a lot of work before coming into season 2, so parang naging mas nasanay na kami sa work and we're a lot more comfortable, and I really have to commend everyone here that we all just really stepped it up, and I really believe that you guys will get to see that in season 2 po.
Lahat po, ramdam ko sa kanila lahat sila nag-improve kasi mas komportable na sila. Pero pinaka nakita ko talaga sa kanila buong dalawa. Seryoso, parang nagulat po kay Ashton na isang araw, may eksena kami. Sabi ko, tumatawa-tawa pa po siya bago mag-take, pero sobrang hirap po talaga ng eksena niya na parang luluha talaga siya na luluha. Tapos bigla umiiyak siya, nagulat na lang po ako sa kanya, parang walang actor's cue, lumalabas bigla yung luha sa mata niya. Tapos ang galing, grabe. Tapos si Dress naman, parang kahit anong eksena po niya ngayon, parang kaya-kaya na niya. Kasi parang nung season 1, parang palagi tayo nagpa-practice, di ba? Puro practice, gano'n. Tapos ngayon ramdam mo po kay Dress talaga na parang pagdating niya sa taping game siya lagi, parang ready na siya. Tapos yung Tagalog niya, sobrang nag-improve po talaga yung Tagalog niya. Nung isang araw kausap ko siya, dire-diretso Tagalog. Di ba? Yun po.
Okay, thank you. That would be all po.
Alright, maraming salamat po guys. That wraps up our Q&A session. Palakpak naman natin.